Welcome to Sheet Leveler. I'm Lee and I'm here to help you learn how to use Excel in an easy and efficient way. If you're wondering how to remove columns in Excel, you're in the right place. Let me show you how. First, we need to click on the column heading represented by a letter located on the top of the spreadsheet. This will mark the column you want to delete. Then right click and select the delete option. That's it, the column has been deleted. Just a note that the order of the columns will be adjusted to the changes you've made. Now if you want to remove multiple columns that are next to each other, select the first column and hold and drag through all the columns you want to delete. You'll see the number of selected columns in a small box below the cursor. This way you don't need to count the number of columns and Excel will do that for you. Right click and select Delete to delete the columns. If the columns you need to delete are not consecutive, you have to use a different approach. Select the columns by clicking on the first one, then press and hold Ctrl key and select any other column you need. Right click and select Delete to remove the columns. Remember that all the information in the column will be lost after they are deleted. If you still need the information contained in the columns, it's better to hide them. To learn how to hide columns in Excel, watch our previous video tutorial at the end or find a link in the video description below. If you found this video tutorial helpful, give us a like and watch other video tutorials by Sheet Leveler. Hit that subscribe button and learn how to Excel like a boss. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.